Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar has come back under pressure after the rally through 70.35 overnight was reversed. Keep an eye on this pattern here, because if it does break down, we could see another return back towards that key support area, 68.45.55. But in light of how the bulls had took the pattern higher, then we may see another snap. But we see a close under 69.75 that would dampen the upside prospects. The euro also coming into a little bit of pressure here into the open of Europe, but still holding above the midway point for the RSI. So therefore I feel that we could eventually see further upside adventure. That is because of the inverted hammer, the key reversal, and another stronger candle coming through. Looks up towards the region somewhere around 106, figure 65 as a potential target. The dollar yen, well, the market's recovered in front of that level around 131. Nevertheless, the rebound is back towards testing, that is the top side of its range. In light of the pattern though, we did break down and the market is still somewhat buckled since the down test, so we may see another round of weakness soon. Sterling taking also a bit of profit from the previous day's rally, but I feel the market, since the Bank of England hiking rates, could actually see another test towards the 124.5 to 125 as a potential target. Sterling Kiwi, a little bit mixed after that whipsaw price action, but still I feel the market will eventually break down and look back towards 192.5 to 191. Finishing off with gold and oil, well, the market's looking back to the bottom side of the range after retreating slightly from the support that came in, first of all, from the rebound and then pulling back away from that 56 area, now looking slightly weaker into the European session. That could see the market eventually take on the challenge towards the region of 1,838. Now, if we see a rebound from there, then that could see a market move back to that 54.64 area. And finishing up with oil, well, since that rejection from that key point that was also previously not too long ago, around 109.80.90, here's the fact is we're looking back to that previous highs, somewhere around 115.55.65. Now we are still negative, so let's see if the market rejects this area and takes the challenge back to that bottom side of the range. Well, that wraps it for the week. So I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and I look forward to speaking to you next week.